I'm pleased to show you our new Hypervac H2 cleaning and restoration body. This body is mounted on a trailer, but can also be mounted on your choice of chassis, primarily heavier GVW chassis such as Hino, Isuzu, Chev, Ford, Dodge. We've got a tandem axle trailer, two 6,000 pound axles, 16-inch tires. In the back here we have a slide back ladder rack, which I'll show you in a bit. And there's basically two modules on this truck. There's a duct cleaning module, which I'll show you first. So this bay here is specifically designed for our Hypervac 120 or 220 portable. And we've got an electric rewind hose reel with 200 feet of 1/2-inch hose. I don't want to whip the hose too much here. There we go. And the other component for duct cleaning is the air compressor. We've got a VMAC G30 stocked rotary screw compressor in this nice little cabinet of its own. Slide out tray, no overheating issues, custom exhaust. One of the other features that we've added to this is we've deleted the fuel tank for a couple reasons. One's for the vapors, and the other reason is so you don't have to keep refilling the tank. The fuel system is plumbed right into our fuel tank, which I'll show you in the back here in a second. So that's basically the duct cleaning module. So the front of the trailer here, we've got a pass-through spacious compartment that'll show you. So lots of room to store things inside here. The trailer's got a 3,500 pound electric jack for up and down. It's got rated trailer chains, so no issues there. 2 5/16 ball type coupler. This is the compartment we saw. And then this is where we get into the business of the C&R unit itself. So this is a Legend Brands Apex 570, which is also into this cabinet here. So it's designed to run a dual wand setup, so you can do dual wand carpet cleaning, you can do extraction. So if you're in the flood remediation business and wanted to evacuate a basement, this is a great unit for that. It's got a tri-lobe blower unit on the 570. It puts this gray tank on the other side there into a vacuum and holds approximately 100 gallons of liquid. It's got a shut-off valve, so that a shut-off sensor, so that if it gets full, it shuts down the unit so you don't get into an overfilling situation. We've also added a dewatering valve that I'll show you in a second. Some of the things that we did with this unit that are unique in its application are we designed this cabinet here so that the Apex 570 can run with the door closed. Sensitive situations where you need to have things locked up, you can do that with this one. So it's got cooling vents built into the floor here, so it pulls nice cold air from the floor. As you can see on the top there, it's got a ventilation fan that runs off the oil pressure sending unit. So when the unit's running, the fan turns on and cools this compartment. It is a liquid cooled engine, Kubota 3-cylinder gas engine. And what else can I tell you about it? We've got, if you look on the side here, we've got like spacious access panels to work on the engine. So you basically just press this over center buckle system on either side, and this whole wall comes out so you can get access to service belts and whatnot. And that goes for both sides. It's got the same panel there. So some other things I can talk about is all the couplers and connections that are normally on the front of these machines. We've mounted those all in this cabinet here. So when you're doing work, you can do it with only these two cabinet doors open. You've got your water fill, you've got high pressure washer hose here. which also harvests heat off the exhaust from the extraction unit, so you can have hot water. You can basically control the temperature here, low, medium, high. And then there's also a chemical injection system, so you can meter how much chemical you want to inject into that high pressure water line there. So you can use like a bleach concentration or different types of cleaning chemicals to do whatever you desire. Another thing that we've done that's quite unique to our setup is we've taken the exhaust from spilling out right here in the area where your operator is, and we've set up a full exhaust system that basically goes under the compartment and up through the wall. We'll just hop up here and give you a quick look. So that's the exhaust termination there. So you can see the holes around the exhaust. That pulls cold air through this wall so that it doesn't overheat. Can also see, you know, just the quality that we've done on the exhaust there. It's got a nice flex joint, stainless steel V-band clamps, nice bulkhead connections with high pressure hose. We didn't spare any expense on this build. Going back here, also we've got the 2-inch hose here, and like I say, you can run up to 2 hoses at the same time. And then coming around back here, we've got our Hypervac stainless steel bumper. We've upsized the rear doors for access into the back here, and we've basically left this rear compartment as open as possible for future development. So I mean, if you had a need for storage, shelving or whatnot in here, we could put that in. Or, you know, you might want to carry a bunch of air movers or dehues in the back here. It's wide open for whatever application you decide to use this for. Here's a good shot of our fuel tank. So it's a dual feed, so it provides fuel to the VMAX compressor at the front, and it also provides fuel to the Apex 570. This unit here is the meat and potatoes of the chemical injection system. So it's got a little pressure tank and chemical jug. It's got a little pump, so that injects, like I say, the chemicals into the high pressure washer system. We've also put a 3-way ball valve on this system here for winterization. Some of you guys in colder climates like us, you can see the end of that hose right there. That can go into a jug of antifreeze, and you can pickle your system pretty easily if you do need to park it outside. This is a great shot of the water pond reel. So it's approximately 100 gallons of fresh water. That's real cool design that Legend Brands did. So they've integrated the dead space around the reel and integrated a water tank there. So that's one of the reasons why we chose to partner with Legend Brands, is, you know, they appear to be the best in the industry, and just cutting edge innovations like that just shows what they're capable of. This handle here is basically for the slide back ladder rack. To show you, so nobody has to climb up on the roof to get the ladder down. Simply pull it back, and there's gas shocks here that lower it down right down to the ground level. And you basically just put your ladder on there and strap it down. And like I say, nobody has to get up onto the roof and slip off and hurt themselves. So then to put it back up, it's just reverse. Locks in place and you're good to go. Oh, one other thing I forgot to mention is the water pond reel also has a foot pedal. So over on this side, when you've got the hose reeled out, you can basically hook up this foot pedal, and the rewind on this big reel is electric. So you don't have to roll it in by hand. And then finally on this side over here, we've got the gray water tank. So there's 3 doors to access this. I'll open all 3 of them up so you can have a look. And that's another shot of the chemical injection system there. Tank, pressure tank, pump, 3-way valve for winterization. This is a dewatering valve that we've added, so if you fill up the tank and you're just sucking out liquids that can go into the storm sewer, you can hook up a lay flat hose to this and dewater this tank multiple times. So, you know, it kind of turns this little trailer into a vac truck on wheels. So you can see the profile of that tank there. When we open up this, the latch is done up over here. We open up this lid here, we can see the little strainers and whatnot in this tank, so it keeps debris like little rocks and whatnot. I mean, if you sucked up a little rock, it's not going to hurt anything. It's going to get caught on that screen. So yeah, that's kind of a quick brief overview of the unit. I hope you liked it, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a shout. Thank you.